Hey everybody, this is Doug with Beechwood Tiny Homes, bringing you the ShoGun. If you'd like to find out more about it, you can visit our website, www.beechwoodtinyhomes.com. That's beach with 2 E's. Visit the Buy Tiny Homes page. As you can see, there's ShoGun around the door. RV water heater, water inlet, nice old looking lamp, mini split on the rear with the disconnect. The ShoGun is an 8x28 on a triaxle trailer. Got plenty of room to store all kinds of stuff. As we come in, you'll see the living room. You can see the ceiling is ShoGun. We also ShoGun the louvers. As you can see, some of them are open and some of them are closed. We did that on purpose, so you could open them or close them, depending on whether you want privacy or not. Nice ship's ladder made out of rough sawn hemlock, so it's going to be nice and durable. More ShoGun on the fenders. And a nice 4-burner cooktop. Full glass window with a blind for privacy. Also, once you come in, your light switches are located here. Fire extinguisher. Got hooks to hang stuff. There's the interior mini split. And a beautiful ceiling fan and a nice beam. There's 2 beams. Refrigerator, nice big sink. It's a workstation sink. Lots and lots of storage. Beautiful light over the sink. We'll come down the hallway. Oh, did I mention this has a downstairs bedroom? Oh, I almost forgot to mention that. Yes, it does. It's a small bedroom, but it's a bedroom. And then we have the bathroom here. Nice 32 by 32 shower. It's a washer dryer combo unit. No venting required. Nice regular flush toilet. LVP flooring throughout. And a nice spacious loft. Again, if you have any questions, you can reach out to us. You can visit us on the web, www.beechwoodtinyhomes.com. That's beach with 2 E's. You can also call us 833-333-TINY, 8469. You can visit us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. We're just about everywhere. I post pictures all the time, and there's actually a video coming out soon about the ShoGun. Stay tuned.